Hello everyone, myself Pranali Kakade, from a student from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My subject name is Financial Market and Institution, and my today's presentation topic name is Securities Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. Introduction. SEBI means Securities and Exchange Board of India was constituted on April 12th April 1988 as a non-statutory body. It is an apex body to develop and regulate the stock market in India. SEBI is the regulator for the securities market in India, originally set up by the government in India in 1988. It required statutory from in 1992 with SEBI Act 1992 being passed by the Indian Parliament. Location of SEBI headquarters, Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and has northern, eastern, southern, and western regional offices in New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Ahmedabad, respectively. Reasons for establishment of SEBI started in stock market such as a price rigging, unofficial premium on view issue, delay in delivery of shares, violation of rules and regulation of stock exchange and listing requirements. So, Government of India decided to set up an agency or regulatory body known as Security Exchange Board of India. Functions of SEBI. SEBI performs following functions. First one is regulating the business in stock exchanges and any other securities markets, registering and regulating the working of stockbrokers, sub-brokers, share transfer agents, bankers to an issue, trustees of trust deeds, registrars to an issue, merchant bankers, portfolio managers, investment advisors, prohibiting fraudulent and unfair trade practices relating to securities markets. Functions of SEBI. The duty of the board to protect the interest of the investors in securities and to regulate the securities market. Third one is board have some powers as issuing commissions for the examination of witnesses or documents. Responsibilities of SEBI. SEBI has to be responsive to the needs of three groups which constitute the market: the issuer of securities, the investors, the market intermediaries. SEBI has three functions rolled into one body: quasi-legislative, quasi-judicial, and quasi-executive. Powers of SEBI. Investigation. First, inspect the books of accounts and call for periodical returns from recognized stock exchanges. Inspect the books of accounts of financial intermediaries. Compel certain companies to list their shares in one or more stock exchanges. Seize and desist proceedings, procedures, and judge directly the violation of certain provisions of the Companies Act. Protection guidelines given by SEBI. Eligibility norms for companies issuing security. No company shall make any issue of a public issue of securities unless a draft prospectus has been filed with the board through an eligible merchant bankers at least 21 days prior to the filing prospectus with the registrar of companies ROCs. Pricing by companies issuing securities. A listed company whose equity shares are listed on a stock exchange may freely price its equity shares and any security convertible into equity at a later date offered through a public or rights issue. Protection guidelines given by SEBI, pre-issuing obligations, the standard of diligence shall be such that the merchant banker shall satisfy himself about all the aspects of offering, veracity and adequacy of disclosure in the offer document. Contents of offer documents. Prospectus shall also contain all material information which shall be true and adequate so as to enable the investors to make informed decisions on the investment in the issue.